Is your Xfinity Internet acting up? Buffering, slow speeds, or no connection at all? A simple router restart can often solve these issues in minutes. Let me show you exactly how to do it the right way. Let's get started. Why restart your Xfinity router? Restarting your router helps with slow internet speeds, buffering, lagging, connection drops, devices keep disconnecting, software glitches, frozen settings, unresponsive router, post-outage recovery after a power flicker or storm. Method 1. The right way to restart, soft reboot. Unplug the power cable from your Xfinity router. Wait 30 seconds, this clears the memory. Plug it back in and wait for all lights to stabilize. Check your connection, should be faster now. Method 2. Restarting remotely using router web interface. Connect your mobile or laptop using wired or Wi-Fi connection from Xfinity modem or gateway. Open web browser and access 10.0.0.0.1 Xfinity default login IP address. User admin as default username and password for password. Find default login settings printed on the Xfinity modem sticker. Press login button to access router settings. Now navigate to troubleshooting option from left side menu. Then go to reset and restore gateway. Press reset button to restart gateway and wait while gateway restarting and internet lights stable again. After few minutes check internet. Method 3. Restarting remotely using Xfinity app. Download and log in Xfinity app. Open the Xfinity My Account app. Go to device option from bottom menu. Then tap view my equipment. Now tap gateway. Now tap restart button. And then tap restart gateway button at final steps. Xfinity gateway will restart and take few minutes to finish. Wait 2 to 5 minutes. Restarting gateway. You can see status bar. After restart complete. Check your internet. And that's it. Restarting your Xfinity router is super easy and fixes most issues. If this video helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.